Hey guys, today I'm going to show you real quick how to remove the hood from the John Deere LA105. This is very similar on just about any of these lawn tractor riding mowers. Um, Different brands, they all pretty much work the same. The hood's designed to just pop right off. It's got two clips on the front that the hood actually just slides right out of if you get it at the right angle. So I'm going to show you that real fast. One thing you'll have to do, pretty much all of them, if it has working headlights, you want to find the plug, just follow the wire down from the headlights and unplug it, and then it's ready to take off. So I'm going to set the phone on the tripod here. Now, this mower has hit a few things in the past. I use it for cleaning out my forest. So the bracket that goes across here, this rod, you can see it's slotted at the front. So what you do is you lift up on the hood. Once you find the right angle, it just pops right off. Real simple. Now, the way this one is on the bottom, it's got a little bit of a bend to it. So a lot of them, they just literally slide right out. But if you notice, you know, this one has hit a few things in its past life, but it's still real simple. Get the hood off, and then you have access to doing just about everything else that you would want to do without any real drama. Makes it a lot easier to work on. So that's today's quick tip. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, please subscribe. Appreciate all the comments. Ask any questions if you want future videos on a particular subject. Thank you.